Hello everybody. It is the story of a teacher and some of his students who used to study at his class in his class. Class was full of these students. It means near about hundreds of students used to study. All students were talented, intelligent, though teacher also was. But whenever science teacher used to come, they would get afraid of learning. Science teacher was diligent. He was completely smart sort of. So he wanted to solve his all students problems, but students would get afraid of learning. So once what did he think? He thought of cracking the jokes. He didn't think of teaching, he thought of taking some another session. As he entered the session, all entered the class, all the students same behaved. So this time he said, now he's not gonna teach today. He would give you some. He would give the students any joke and all. He would crack the joke. All students went on cloud nine. They felt too much delighted. So what he did, teacher cracked one joke. As he cracked the joke, all students started laughing. Some of them started bursting into laughter. Some of them held the stomach. But this time again what teacher did, he repeated same joke. Out of 100, 40% students laughed and 60% kept looking and gave a smile. Again teacher repeated same joke. Out of 40, now 10% students laughed, though they smiled. Last time again he was repeating the joke, he was cracking that joke. One of the students raised the hand and cut him into the short. He asked, "Sir, why are you repeating same joke which you have already told us and we have laughed? Now we are not at all interested in laughing because it has been boring us." So teacher said to the student, same thing. Why you do this thing to me every day when you know that the fear, the nervousness which you people have, it would be killed if you really kill it, but you do not want to kill the fear. So it would not be temporary, it would be permanent. And you know very well, when uninvited guests come at our home, what do we need to do? We need to serve, we need to treat them. We need to treat them to sweet, coffee, food, dinner. Same is with these uninvited guests. So same is with the uninvited problems. When these uninvited problems approach, you don't take them as a permanent. They are not gonna last for a long. They are only for some moments, some hours, some days, some weeks. Not till life we have been living. They are completely temporary, they are not permanent. So what you need to do, you need to treat these problems also. You need to treat them to patience, you need to treat them to your courage, you need to treat them to your commitment. So what will happen, they will go themselves. You don't need to send them out, they will go themselves. Even you don't need to beckon. So when we have the problems, you only need to do the thing is only you welcome them and they will go themselves. So this is the moral of this story, that whenever we have got any kind of problem, we need to only face these problems, accept them, treat them as we treat our uninvited guests, because they are not gonna last for a long. They are only coming and they are going. They are not gonna sit over there permanently. So whenever you feel demoralized, you have any negative thought, so think it's a only thought. It's not real thing. And if it is real, then you can face it. So whenever any thought comes to you and you feel that it is gonna disturb you a lot, so feel it's the only thought. Only you need to welcome this thought and then again eradicate or else face it. In this way, what will happen? You will get the experience, you will become sophisticated. So in this way you'll become proactive, which is really important in everybody's life. Oftenly people leave this task and they do not become proactive, they don't become agile, they become indolent, they become procrastinator, that we are not supposed to be. It is not in our life, it is not our commitment. Our commitment is to face this problem while being proactive, agile. Thank you guys for listening to me.